Hey, it's me, Elena. Some time ago, I was reviewing a very cute doll named Eiri, which was made during collaboration between Azone and Obitsu doll companies. This review you can find on my channel, or you can just click on the link which should appear somewhere here. And here is the second Eiri, which was created in collaboration between Azone and Obitsu. I got her just a few days ago and can't wait to unbox and review her with you. She is made as a direct Azone store version, and guess what enticed me most about her? Her gorgeous purple-ish hair. Can't wait to take a look up close. Box overall is of a pastel purple color with beautiful curly golden ornament. On the front of the box, in a pretty frame with the flowers, is a portrait of Eiri, name of the release which is Eiri Uemura, Looking Glass Country Maid Alice. There is also a note that this doll is limited to only Azone stores. On the top we see the same Obitsu and Azone title and logos, which reminds us that this is a collaboration doll. On the top of the box there is the same doll portrait with the release name. On the side there are full-height doll portraits wearing different outfits. On one side she is in her maid dress, while on the other side she is wearing some cute and a bit sexy lingerie with a tulle skirt. On the back we see Eiri in her full set maid uniform with a white apron. Here we can learn her story. Alice went through the mirror and got lost in the mirror world. As she was walking in the forest, she was caught by the Red Queen. "You will be my mate," she ordered it. When will I be able to return to the real world?" said Alice, laying down on a sofa, alone in an empty room. Also, it is noted that this doll is for age of 15 plus and her price was 17,000 yen before taxes. I wanna start of course from the long wavy hair which lured me in the first place. It's a mix of a blue and pink hair strands creating an effect of purple hair. However, now when I'm looking at her, it feels like she has a lot of blue hair. Underneath her head is painted in a light pink color. I really love her face, it's so cute, as if from a fairy tale. Her eyebrows and eyelashes are all of a light gray color. She also has gentle pink eyeshadow. Her eyes can be changed. Current ones are magnificent. They are blue, all sparkly, and under some angle I can swear they look green. Her mouth is a bit open, exactly like on her previous version. On top of her dress, as a good maid should, she is wearing an apron. It's of a cream color and adorned in beautiful lace. There are 3 different types of them, and on the bottom it also has pin tucks. Behind it has a big bow and fastens with a white plastic snap. Her dress is made from synthetic feeling material, which was a bit of disappointment to me, but it made the dress more soft and flowy. It is a grayish blue color with a black element around her waist. It also has a black laces with bows on her bell-shaped short sleeves. Another black bow we can see around her neck area. In the middle this bow has a very sparkly crystal attached. All front area is made from a white see-through mesh with teeny tiny golden beads. It also has the same mesh part on the back. Dress also has a lot of different laces all around, sleeves, bottom of the dress, neck area and under the mesh. It fastens with velcro on the back and with a little metallic hook on the lace area. Underneath her dress she has a fluffy white mesh pannier. 2 layers of mesh are attached to white cotton fabric. Around the waist is a white silky lace with a bow on the back. This pannier is also fastened with a white plastic snap. We already saw a garter and stockings on the previous Eiri version. This one is not an exclusion. The garter is a white 2-layered fabric and it fastens behind with metallic hook. It connects to white mesh stockings with ribbons. Stockings on the top have white laces and pink bows with little pearl beads. Compared with previous version, her stockings look fancier in my opinion, better quality maybe. Her panties are of a light blue color and remind me more of some swimsuit panties because the front and back parts are connected connected with elastic ribbon and they are just sewn to it. I'm gonna put this doll and other doll photos to my Instagram. Also there I often post vlogs and Azone company's new dolls on display. Check out my Instagram, let's enjoy dolls together. In the set we also got a headband. What is Maid without it? It is covered with cream fabric almost completely. It makes me think that because of these openings from the sides, you can theoretically take fabric off. Why do you need to do that? I don't know though. What is interesting is that underneath the lace it has a black ribbon. It also has black bows from the sides. To match her panties, they also put in the set a lacy light blue bra. It has the same as on her stockings, pink massive bow with a bead on the front. Also two smaller beads a little bit lower. A+ to attention to details. It also fastens with a metallic hook from behind. Black Maid shoes are another outfit element. They have laces on the sides, little black bows on the front. Also, they have cuffs with metallic buckles to go around her ankle. The sole is made of a black plastic with Azone engravings. We also got standard Obitsu hands, neck connectors in case you want to replace your head, and bald head cap. You can replace it with the current flocked one and then be able to wear different wigs. I like Obitsu because they are very customization friendly. Background of the box from the inside is a room, exactly like in the promo photos. I think it's interesting because before I was getting dolls with just simple backgrounds. Let's look at white booklets we got. What the heck? NANI? Instead of a usual special doll booklet, we got just a card, and it's not even a postcard. On the front we see beautiful Maid Eiri standing in the room, and on the back is an illustrated list of all the things from the set. I like that it has a lot of details, and especially that so many additional hands are included. But why is it just a card? I hope Azone is not going through some kind of a crisis. One thing that can be left out: doll maintenance book. It will help you to take care of your doll. Did you like this new version of Eiri? Do you like Ellie's theme for dolls, or have you already gotten tired of it? I wasn't sure at first if I should get her, but her unusual eyes and hair made me buy her. I also fell in love with the Obitsu bodies, so I'm happy to have another Obitsu collaboration doll in my collection. By the way, if you missed the Azone and Obitsu body comparison video, you can find it on my channel or by clicking on link from here. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button not to miss new reviews or doll related videos. I'm always trying to get the most interesting doll releases. Love dolls and Kong Kong!